Hey guys, this is AJ here, and this is my puppy Layla. She works at Firelight, and we're gonna review of the Firelight BG12. We're gonna do a demo of it, so we're gonna do it as well as my last video. So that she's part of Firelight Studios, and let's try it. I did it on the last video, so I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna stick it. Stick it. Hello guys, my BJ12, and I finally got it to work. Oh my god! Oh, it's Sabaya! Ah! Wait, no, it's not Sabaya. Alright, now it's Sabaya. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh, it's Sabaya! Whoa, that's so cool. Oh god, so good. Quick, we got to reset it. Oh, so. And that's the Firelight BG12. Oh, and I'm gonna show you single action soon, so stay tuned for that, and we'll come back after that soon. So yeah, let's take a break and come back to that. We'll be right back. Layla! 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 She's outside. She's outside? I think a couple of ABC commercial premiere of the Firelight BG12. It means that it's a day. Don't matter, no, in the mean. No matter, you're special when you're with me. Like no other, no one else can do like you. Like no other. It's a day. Like no other, no one else can do like you. It's me, like no other. It's a day. Like no other. In the mean. Like no one, you're special when you're with. Like no one else can do like no one. We're all kids. You know, making those tasty nutrition will kill you. All new Indomie too. Indomie Chupables. Only on ABC. Only on ABC. Tonight I knew you came with us. We're ABC's headquarters in Times Square, and ABC is the Marcus C. Plaza. And the Marcus C. Plaza. I remember. At noon. And for NBC News at noon. NBC News. Yeah. And after ABC 79, if I ABC News at noon, What do you want now? Come here. Oh, okay. Mommy, Layla won't go. Layla won't go here because I want to record a video with her. Layla! We're on police station. Police. Layla. Mommy, Layla won't come with me. I just wanna record it here. Come on, let's record here. But I need to use the bathroom. Hey guys, this is my puppy Layla. She works for Firelight, and hey everyone, that's my puppy Layla. She works for Firelight, and we're talking about. Let's talk about the Firelight BG12. The single action one. It's BG12 S. Wait, yeah, it's BG12 LS. BG12 SL. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna demonstrate and demo it. Okay. Hello guys, my BJ12 of single action, and I finally. Hello guys, my BG12, and I finally got it to work. Oh my god! Oh, it's fire! Ah! Wait, no, it's not a fire. Alright. Activated. And now. Okay, now the fire. It's fire. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh god. Quick, a hex wrench right here. A hex wrench. Okay, that's my Firelight BG12L. That's my Firelight BG12 single action.
About 15 minutes, okay?
Good. And that's my Firelight BG12L double action. And that's my Firelight BG12. And now I'm gonna head off now. And Early Thoughts is coming up next. You watch it in the newsroom. Have a good day.